I see a thing here that I want to explain that is very important. So we have a major support zone here. It's the top of the big sweet spot zone. We spoke about it before. If you've been on this on these streams, it's the sweet spot from the bigger swing. This whole swing here on a daily time frame. Let's zoom in again. 4-hourly time frame, hourly time frame. So we have this major support here. The market's been respecting a lot. What happens? It looks like it wants to break through. It comes back up. What do we call these things? Fake outs, right? It's a fake out. And after that we saw a pump. Very nice pump. Now market is coming down. It kind of did its relief. What I mean with relief is that people that when it came in here or here, they took out their profits. They sold off their profits, so market dumped a little bit. I believe that this market is going to move up more. Gold has already been on a crazy rally, and yes, of course, we might see something like this. But looking at the fundamentals, I think gold is going up. Because to get back to what we spoke on in the beginning of the stream, Credit Suisse is going down, or it's already going down, and Credit Suisse is actually being bailed out by the Swiss National Bank, so by the central bank of Switzerland. They've been bailed out. I think it was $50 billion or something like that. So they will survive, but still low. Just the fact that they are shaking and would have gone down if they wouldn't have been bailed out. That is enough to really shake the market and to push gold up, because people want to invest in gold when they cannot, when they don't trust the banks. So with that said, I can easily expect this market to push up from here. The only bugging thing for me is we missed a really good entry this morning. I hope some of you guys got this trade. If you did, please let me know. But this here was a very good trade. Like when the market came, I'm gonna explain what I'm talking about. Market did some kind of fake out here, came up again, testing testing the underside of the supply of the support zone as resistance. Didn't hold. Broke through, came up, retested. A very nice retest here. This is a perfect entry, and then it went up. So it's already up. Like if you say this was the entry, okay, it's already up like 70 pips. Yeah, we missed it. Let's look for another trade. I hope some of you guys are in this trade for some reason, but me personally, I'm not. I would have been if I would have seen this, but I was actually busy with my morning routine. Let's see the market come back down to find another entry. If it doesn't come back down, then we need to find the new levels to look for entry, either for buy or sell. Those levels. One thing that I see right now on the hourly time frame is that we got a little trend downwards here. Yeah. So we got higher, a high, a lower high, a lower low. I mean, a lower high, a lower low, and now we got new high forming. Let's see if this high managed to break it. Basically, already failed with it to break these highs. If it breaks this level, let me remove some of my beautiful Picasso drawings. If it breaks this top here, then I think I'm going for a buy on gold. This is the level I want to see it break. Either that or market comes back down and start testing this level again. Yeah. Yeah. You guys see what's going on. It's we got the sweet spot, of course, where you find most of the liquidity, and you see the market came up, dipped, came back down, test the 20-day EMA again. So buy on gold at around 1920. In this case, actually 1924. Like we need to see this top here break. We need to see it break. Either that, or if the market pulls back from here now, if it pulls back, then the buy we're looking for is 1914. So 1914, 1915-ish is where the buy would be. Here. This would be the buy zone. Now I'm on the 5-minute time frame because I just want to get a hands of what the market is doing right now. And yeah, it looks like it's pulling back actually. Or it wants to, it tries to. We got this spinning top here. Yeah, market. Look, the market right now is very uncertain. We need to let the market find its direction. As I said, today I'm going to sit in front of the charts much more than I did yesterday. So I'll keep you guys posted and alert on what's going on in the market. Like we might as well, like you guys seen, like gold is trying to push down a little bit, and we might as well just come down here, bounce off this level. But the thing is like this. I don't want to call out any trade where it's like it might do this or it maybe does this. Like this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for trades where like, okay, boom, boom, boom. We have 5 confirmations showing that the market is going in this direction. Let's do it. Let's jump into it. When we have situations where we have like one out of 3 that the market, like this here, I would say 1 out of 3 that the market bounces off this level. All right, here 3 out of 4 that it bounces off this level. All right, so it's a much stronger and higher probability that we bounce off this level. Same thing with this level here. Here, like I said, 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3 is not good enough for us to get into the market and going for a buy. That means you're very hungry for a buy to get into the market and just trade. And then I would say trading is not the right thing for you right now. You should more focus on studying and developing a proper mindset, because when you trade with those kind of emotions, that's when you start stacking up losses and blow up accounts. We don't want that. So you see, it's testing the level right now. Wants to break through. Sellers are trying to push down. Next line of defense is of course the 20-day EMA that we see here in the 50-minute time frame. I think the market will probably reverse somewhere a lot around here. At these levels with the 200-day EMA. So I think somewhere around here would be the optimal entry zone. We cannot put any buy limits. Why? Because we need to see how the market behaves when it comes down here. If market comes down here, we need to see how it behaves here. Does it show sell pressure or does it show buy pressure? If it shows buy pressure, we of course going into to a buy. If it shows sell pressure, like it looks like the market is trying to push down and crack this floor, this support. Then we need to find a setup for a sell. All right, we leave it like that for now.